Welcome to an all new Buy Jump Ropes how-to video, and today I wanted to talk about how to size a beaded rope. So I got this rope in. It was a custom rope, beautiful. My little niece Audra went to town, decided all the colors she wanted. Purple's her favorite color, but there's only one problem, it's too long. So how do you custom size it? Totally easy, not at all hard. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna shake all the little beads down to one end, and you're going to just simply untie the little knot that is on the end and take off the washer and almost drop it, and then take off your handle. So that way you can remove as many beads as you need to. So all of our make your own and custom ropes, you can choose the size, but sometimes things don't always go the way you want them. So just simply remove some of the beads and put your handle back on. Now, if the cord bothers you, all you need to do is take some scissors and just cut off the cord. I would recommend jumping with it a little bit before you decide to chop anything off, but wherever the handle lies is going to be your space. So what you're going to do is just simply tie another little knot. And then you have this kind of awkward tail. So that's where the scissors come in handy. So what you're gonna do is just cut off the excess. Ta-da, all done. Now you have the perfect fitted rope for your little.